Morning, Jetty Rockers. Welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, today we're going to do another segment of the cleaning table, and we're going to be cleaning some warmouth perch, warmouth bass, a couple of different names. They're real small fish that you catch in the fresh water. They're short, but they're really thick, and you actually do get quite a bit of meat off such a small fish. So we're going to clean a couple up today, and I'll see you guys at the cleaning table. Alright guys, I got my little warmouth perch here. They're a little small fish, but they are very tasty. What they lack in size, they definitely make up in flavor. Some people just like to scale them and cook the whole fish, but my kids don't like to eat fish with bones in them, so I fillet all my fish. And you do get a little bit of meat off these things. They are tearing it up next door. So I apologize for the background noise. Tough little bones on these little guys. There you go. When I was growing up fishing with my grandfather on the St. Johns River, this was one of my favorite fish to eat. I'll just take the skin off. There you go. Nice little fillet. Put these along with our crappie fillets, and we'll have a nice little meal. Alrighty. There you go, guys. Alrighty. And that's your little warmouth perch fillets. And believe me when I tell you, yes, they're small, but these things are very, very good eating. Hey y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just a real quick video cleaning a couple warmouth perch. I know most people probably would scale the whole thing and fry the whole thing whole, but my kids don't like fish that way, so I have to fillet everything that I catch because they don't like the bones. But it's just my version of how to clean them. And I know it's a little small fish. People are like, wow, you even gonna make a video doing that? But it's something to add to my cleaning table library. My goal is to get every species of fish that I catch in that library. So this one's added to it. And I want to thank each and every one of you all for watching this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And for everybody that has not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, that little bell for notifications. And for all y'all that are already subscribed to this channel, thank you guys very much. I appreciate y'all. You guys are the bomb. Well, y'all, till I get to see you again soon here on the water, tight lines, Jetty Rockers. Hey Jetty Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs.
I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.